December 15th, 2013. Guys, we got some problems. I want to start with this. China's banned all the shellfish from the U.S. West Coast, Washington, Oregon, Alaska, and Northern California. Never been done before. Now, our government hasn't banned us from eating them. Another headline, large die-off of Alaska seabirds from disease never found before in state history. Hundreds of dead birds per kilometers. Now, listen, they say it looks like they had a seizure. Now, Japan's leaders said that reactor 1 melted down in 5 hours. They finally admitted it exploded. Guys, hundreds and hundreds of fuel rods were blown all over Japan. Another update, August 16th this year. 100 herring near Satula. This is in Canada. They were found in the net. All were bleeding. It was shocking. He said he'd never seen it before. It's August 12th. Says dragged up several hundred of the fish this past weekend and found the infection had spread. Said instead of their usual silver color, the fish had eyes, tails, underbellies, gills, and faces plastered with a sickly red color. Said he never seen fish that's looked that bad. This is some of the pictures of them turning red. Guys, this is the Pacific Ocean. It's a third of the world's oceans. Millions of North Pacific krill, a species of tiny crustacean, are dying off. Guys, you know what leads past krill? It is plankton. Plankton not only feeds the entire globe, you can pause any of this and read it. It also produces oxygen. Guys, the ocean is dying. They have found now the bottom covered off the Pacific coast, covered in dead plankton. Cesium was found in plankton between Hawaii and California. They bioaccumulate radiation. 1 gram of plankton has 1,000 times as much cesium as a gram of seawater. So if you test that seawater without the plankton, guys, if you're not in that area where the fish are feeding, you don't see it. It's the #1 food on the planet. Smallest organism is the basis of the entire food chain. Whales, dolphins, it feeds all animals of all ages, complete protein source. Guys, that is the end of the world's oceans. It says you can forget eating any fish out of that ocean. Guys, we're looking at polar radar. There's Fukushima. You can see what's going on. We're getting high amounts of radiation in the snow that's coming down. Now, send some information to Paul Begley. His show starts tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern from 7 till 10. I'm going to call in and give a brief update, guys. And check it out. I'm going to put a link in the video. But, guys, this picture you're seeing has everything to do with the tilt of the Earth. You notice it is off center to the left. We're having extreme weather conditions everywhere. The coldest temperature ever recorded was this week in the Antarctic of 135 degrees below zero. But guys, all that radiation is being trapped up in the North Pole. So just like last year when we had the snowstorms come down, we had this radiation pulled down in that upper levels of the atmosphere. But it goes to Revelation 16, and there's the 6 vials. Let's look at the order. Grievous sore, for those with the mark. Every living soul in the sea dies a second. Third, the rivers and the fountains become blood. How? Snow and rain. Sun, the men are scorched with fire. Fifth has to do with the sun. The beast's kingdom is full of darkness. 6, the Euphrates and the kings of the east. Now look over. The mark occurs with financial collapse because you're going to need it to buy, sell, or trade. Now, again, if we are looking at the mark happening before every living soul in the sea dies, we're very close. Then you've got the rivers and fountains become blood from the snow and the rain. Then the sun's involved where men are scorched with fire. Giant solar flares penetrating the atmosphere. Then the beast's kingdom is full of darkness, and the world grid goes down. Kings of the east and the Euphrates. Evil spirits possess the world leaders. Look there, Revelation 16:14, the spirits of devils. Enoch was talking about this today, guys. The spirits of the devils. Remember, the evil spirits were saved to the end times. Then Christ gave us this right in the middle in red. Behold, I come as a thief. Blessed is he that watcheth and keepeth his garments, lest he walk naked and they see his shame. So what have we got here? We got the evil spirits infest the world leaders, leading to war. Voice out of heaven, it is done. Then the thunder and lightning, the greatest earthquake, cities of the world fall. Then the great hail that Job talked about. Says he entered the treasure of the snow, or seen the treasure of the hail that I have reserved for the great time of trouble and the time of battle. What are we talking about? The evil spirits coming together right here in the end times, guys. Now, we're going to watch this, and we're going to look at the seven trumpets also. Heads up, be safe. Don't forget about the show. I'll link it.